Hey, Paul Cagle with OGI Process Equipment. Today we are talking about photokeratitis. I know, big word for UV burn of the eyeball. Yikes. Now, there are a lot of different names that it can be called, all the way from, let's see, welder's eye, welder's arc, flash burn, even Sandman's disease. Yeah. Now, with all these different names, what they're doing is they describe the injury and the symptoms that come from this, which really is a sunburn of the eyeball. Now, in a welding shop, where this comes from is the welder's arc produces high amounts of ultraviolet radiation, which, when you stare into it, can potentially cause a burn to your eye. One of the other ways that you can get photokeratitis is bright lights, the sun, or being outside on a snowy day in the sun. You can't see anything. Now, how many times have we looked into the bright light and we look away and we see blue spots? That's our body's way of saying, quit it. Stop looking at the bright lights. Some of the symptoms that you can get with photokeratitis is redness, swelling of the eyes, even swelling of the eyelids. It also can feel like grit or sand is in your eyes, blurry vision. Yeah, this isn't very pleasant at all. Also, photosensitivity, which means you don't like people to take your picture. What was that? Oh, okay, that's wrong. What photosensitivity means is that you are sensitive to bright lights. Okay, I guess that makes a lot more sense. Oops. So, tip of the day. Drop that hood, protect those eyes, start throwing some sparks. Be sure to subscribe and like us. I twisted it up. See what I did? Most important thing, y'all be safe out there.